Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will learn how to make poster for our projects in simple steps. Go to File New. Choose A for dimensions, and for colors choose RGB if you want to use the photo on internet. And choose Quick if you want to print it. Bring photo for your project. Press Ctrl+T and adjust the scale. Convert photo to layer so you can adjust the sky scale. Press M and select part of the sky. Then press Ctrl+T and scale it. Now add gradient map. Choose black color and the other color you can choose it as you prefer. Now let's add some text. Press T and write the name of your project. Here we should make a nice contrast between main title and subtitle by making one bold and the other thin. Now add your name on the bottom. After you finish, press Alt plus Control plus Shift plus E to make copy of your layers. Now go to Filter, then Camera Raw Filter to adjust the colors. That was our tutorial for this week. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.